How to clear? Guneshu sakta bandhaya. If you become conscious of these three material modes of nature, then it is for bondage. Ratangva bhumsi muktaya. And when your consciousness is Krishnized, simply think of Krishna, then it is liberation. Clear idea. So this Krishna consciousness movement is to keep the mind and consciousness always in Krishna. Pungsi. Pungsi. Pungsi means the Supreme Personality of God. He is a person. He is a male, not female. Pungsi. Purusha. Purusha, not Stri. When Krishna was realized by Arjuna, he addressed him, Purusham, Shasat, Parabrahma, Paramdhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan. Purusham, God is Purusha, not female. Purusha means enjoyer, and Prakriti means enjoyer. Everything is enjoyed by the Supreme Purusha. We are also Prakriti. That is also stated. We are not Purusha. This dress may be, that is Maya, illusion. Actually, we are Purusha and Prakriti mean, here the so-called woman is also Purusha. Purusha means enjoyer. The woman, they are also thinking how to enjoy. And man is also thinking how to enjoy. Therefore, imitation, Purusha. But actually that Prakriti. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Aparayam itastu viddhi me prakritim para. The living entities, they are Prakriti. And they are trying to be Purusha, enjoy. This is material world. Therefore they are attached to the three gunas. Because they want to enjoy this material world. Artificially trying to become Purusha. Purusha means enjoy. As such, they are attached to this material world. And material world means guna, three guna. And according to attachment, they are getting different types of bodies. That is also stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Karanam gunasanga asya sadasat janma jonishu. Why there are different types of bodies? Why one living entity is dog and why one living entity is first class, Brahmana? Because karanam gunasangasya, one who has got a learned Brahmin's body, that means he has associated with the modes of nature, goodness, sattva, sama, dhamma, titikha. This is elevation. If one is in the modes of goodness, then he can understand gradually what is God, what is Krishna. Otherwise, in the modes of passion and ignorance, nobody can understand what is God. Not only that, even from material prosperity, if one is situated in the modes of goodness, then he can be elevated to the higher planetary system. Sargalok, Janalok, Mahalok, Tapalok, Brahmalok, Sattalok. Urdhanga Chanti Sattasva. So these are needed. Anyway, even if you go to the Brahmaloka, that is not also perfection. Abrahma bhuvana lokan punaravartinam. There is no benefit, because there also the four principles of miserable condition, janma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi, they are there. Even in the Brahmalok, Brahma also dies. Brahma also takes birth. You know it. Brahma, he also took birth from the lotus flower, generated from the navel of Vishnu. So there was birth. And when Brahma will die, whole material cosmic manifestation will be finished. So he has also birth and death, and old age and disease. And the small ant or insect, it has also the same disease. old age, birth and death. So, one has to become free from this bondage. Because we are eternal. Na jayate na miyate. Bhagavad Gita says, the living entity never takes birth, never dies. Then why even Brahma dies? Brahma is also dying. That is material life. That is bondage. Bandhan. Kuneshu sakta bandhaya. The one should not think that I have got millions of years duration of life, therefore I am liberated. No. Brahma, he has got millions and millions of years as one day, 12 hours, 12 hours. Sahasra juga bhajantam arhajat brahmano vidu. So he is also subjected to birth and death. That is conditional life. Now we have forgotten this. We Indians, Bharatiya, we have got these advantages. The perfect knowledge given by the Vedic literature, by great rishis and Bhagavan Sam, Kapil Dev, Bhagavan Krishna. We are neglecting. We have become so unfortunate. There is a poet has says, the apon dhon bilaye diye bhikkha mage porer kache. We have lost our own culture. Now we are beggar. We are going to foreign countries to beg something. Of course, I have gone to foreign countries not to beg, but to give. Others go there to beg. Give me grain, give me money, give me soldier. But we have not gone. We have got to give them. Therefore, these European Americans are attracted. Because I am giving them, not taking from them. That is the difference. They have seen many big persons go to the foreign countries only to beg. But nobody goes there to give. So, the Indian culture is so rich that you can give to the whole world. Whole world. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila ja. Janma sarthak kari karo paropakar. They are getting life. The Krishna consciousness means getting life. They are exhausted with this materialistic way of life. They are getting some new life. That is one. Because mukta, we living entities, we are by nature liberated. There is no question of birth and death, old age and disease. Mamaivangsha jiva bhuta. We are part and parcel of Krishna, the Supreme Lord. So, how there can be birth and age and old age and disease? Satchidananda Vigraha. Krishna is Satchidananda Vigraha. Ishara Parama Krishna. Satchidananda Vigraha. Anadi Dadi Govinda. Anadi. There is no question of birth and death. So, we being part and parcel of Krishna, we are also of the same nature. Equal in quality, not in quantity. So, why should he suffer this birth and death? Therefore, in the beginning of Kapil Dev's instruction, he said, Yoga adhyatmitang pumisa jato nisrasaya. That is yoga. What is that? That is explained. That adhyatmika, to save the soul. The soul is entrapped in this body, material body, and to save it. No more death, no more birth, no more old age. That is what? That is perfect yoga. So how this perfect yoga can be achieved? That is explained in this verse. Pungsi, ratangava pungsi mukta. If your consciousness is attached to Krishna, only thinking of Krishna, that will give you liberation. Satatang kirtayantam ma jatantascha dhirabrata. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Always chanting about me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Thank you very much.